Hey my darlings, welcome and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I want to show you how to make this simple but delicious and crunchy oat balls. Okay, this is 100% keto friendly. If you want to lose some weight, have this with some tea for breakfast and you are 100% good to go. In my grinder, I have some nuts. You can use any nut of choice depending on you, whatever you like, and I'm just going to grind that up. Okay, and this is what I got. I have some pistachio, I have some almond, I have cashew nuts. Those are the 3 nuts I have in there. You can add coconut flakes in this, but yeah, do you when it comes to nuts. So in a bowl, we are going to add our bananas. I will leave all the measurements in the description box, but yeah, because I'm using small sizes banana, I'm using 5 of it. But if you want to make this, use 2 large or 3 large sizes, 2 large or 3 medium sizes, I mean. Okay, that will be good for these measurements. So all you want to do is to go ahead and match your bananas, and yeah, let's see how this transforms into this delicious yet crunchy and healthy balls. One thing I like about this recipe is how simple it is, yet it came out really nice. So all you want to do next is to add everything you have on your table right into that banana mixture. This will take you less than 5 minutes to get ready, so go ahead and give it a try. So I've added my oats. I use rolled oats, like full rolled oats. I added my nuts already blended. Yeah, I'm adding some chia seed. You can go ahead and replace with whatever seed you feel like, but this is the original recipe and I would like you to try this first before you adjust anything. So I've added some chocolate chips. You can go ahead and add just dark chocolates. You can use white chocolate, dark chocolate. I actually added the chocolate chips because I don't have enough dark chocolate. The measurements I needed, I didn't have it, so go ahead and add chocolate chips or a whole dark chocolate. I'm just going to match the, like, cut this up with my hands. And yeah, this is everything, guys. You won't believe it. This is everything you need in your bowl. I think this is 5 ingredients, right? Your chocolate, your chia seed, your nuts, bananas, and your oats. You can see, very, very simple. So go ahead and get all of that in a bowl. And the next thing you want to do is to wash your hands. Make sure your hands is very clean, and go ahead and mix this up with your hands. You can wear your glove if you are comfortable working with glove. I am not, I have said that before. So I'm using my bare hands, which I've already washed and is already very clean. Okay, so you want to go ahead and give this a good mix, and once it's well mixed, go ahead and mold it into a ball. This particular measurement will give you 14 good balls. Okay, if you have a scale, you can use your scale to know the measurements, to know if you want it to be like equal in sizes. Go ahead and use your scale. I wasn't concerned about the sizes, but still I got 14 balls. So that is what you will get from this recipe or this measurement. Give it a try, and guys, let me know what you think about this. I'm very sure a lot of you are going to love this, not just because of how simple it is, but because of how delicious and nice this came out. Once you are done with all of the mixture, you have molded them into 14 balls. As you can see, mine, some are big and some are small. Like I said, I wasn't concentrating on the sizes. So the next thing you want to do is to line it up on your tray, or your tray is already lined, okay, with your parchment paper. Make sure you're using a parchment paper on your tray just to prevent it from sticking. And once you're done, bake that, and this is what you have. This is so good, guys. You know, the skin, like the body is crunchy, but when you bite through, guys, you get this chewy texture, if you get what I mean. You know, the bananas, the nuts, the chocolate, everything is so good. See, guys, you really want to try this if you're in a weight loss journey. This recipe was actually given to me by someone that paid for it in a weight loss journey class. And yeah, she wanted me to make them for her, and I said, why not? I will make a video out of it. And here you go, guys. This is for free, and yeah, you can make use of it and enjoy. This is so good. I tasted one of it. I actually delivered 14. I tasted one and it was nice.